Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we will be learning how to redeem your Shopee voucher. To redeem a Shopee voucher is super easy. Start off by opening up a web browser on your computer or your mobile device, and in the URL box, type in shopee.com and search. Go ahead and select a location from the menu and log into your Shopee account by entering your credentials. After you are in the home page of Shopee, logged into your account, go to the top right corner and mouse over to your profile picture. In the pop-up, click on My Account. Now, go ahead and click on My Vouchers on the left-hand side menu. In the Add Voucher text field, enter your voucher code in the text box correct. After you are done typing in the code, click on Redeem and follow through the prompt. And that's how you will be able to redeem your voucher on Shopee. Just make sure that you are entering the correct voucher number. I'm just entering a random number over here just to show it to you. So that's how you easily redeem your voucher on Shopee. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more contents like this from Shopee. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.